Hi. So I have yeah, I think yeah. I just realized, no, not just, but today, I realized today that I can just turn off my internet. I can just turn off my internet. I'm in charge. I'm in charge of my internet usage. I can just turn it off. See, this is why I don't fully agree when I get a feedback that I'm smart. Like, how many times did it, how many years did I actually did I need before I was able to have that kind of conclusion that I can just turn off my internet? You see, I'm not very smart. I'm smart sometimes, not always, not for long. Not every time, definitely. I'm smart sometimes, that I can agree, but I can just turn off my internet. I realized that this morning, and I realized that this morning because I woke up, I think an hour before my alarm goes off, and I noticed that there's a message, and there's an inner voice inside here somewhere which said, "That can wait, go back to sleep." And I turned off my internet just like that. And then when I woke up for real, I was just, why haven't I thought of that all these years? Why haven't I thought of that? I can just do that and I can get better sleep. Like, what? What? So yeah, that's the thing for today. I can just turn off my internet. And I actually listened to myself when I told myself that that can wait. And I just put down my phone, I turned off the internet, put down my phone, and it worked. I didn't had this any sort of impulse to anymore. It killed all my impulse to check the message. I'm getting goosebumps by how much self-control I had even when I was not fully awake yet. Does my subconscious have self-control as well? Does it have more self-control than me when I'm awake? I don't know, but if it does, I must have done something right somewhere, somehow. But erase the but. Yeah, because of that as well, I had this sentence that clicked somewhere today, that most of life is just figuring out what can wait and what cannot. And yeah, now I have to go shopping, grocery shopping, not shopping. And by the way, this is not by choice. This is a product of a lack of choice, because I cannot find my glasses. This is my alter ego's glasses, and I cannot find my glasses anywhere for some reason. I've searched my entire room. I cannot see it. This, does it go with this? But for some reason, we're a hybrid today. No, for the lack of choice, we're a hybrid today. So, yes, that's it for now. Maybe more later.